Hey, welcome to Deviator on the Road. Another day, another topic. Let's get it started. Let's go. Deviator on the road and back again. Trucking loads going out of our way. Topic driven for our family of viewers. Join us. Subscribe today. Ride along with me. Do what we do best. Fill these bad boys up and make it count. One load can make a difference. Chances are, if you're seeing this, you like trucking. Deviator on the Road is a topic-driven channel. My daily journey through the business of running truck in America. Opinion and commentary on a variety of news, topics, and the people I meet, the loads I carry, and so much more. Now, I know there has to be at least 1,000 people that watch YouTube that can help me with a goal. We're on our way, but I can use your help. Be sure and check out our latest videos previewed here. Click the link above and come with me on a load to Monroe, North Carolina. To Monroe, North Carolina. This one has to be dropped at the receiver and picked up a day later, so the agent is one hell of a worried female, I swear to God. Stands to reason, it's late in a Thursday afternoon. It's going to take a while to load this one, I kind of figured, so we'll be here for a little while. And cover my years of experience in budgeting and the costs of trucking. Good budget's important, not just tax time, but all time. One of the things seldom discussed on many of these channels is what happens with the money once you make it. And make sure you have accurate numbers. If you're not sure, it never hurts to ask someone who's been in it for a while. Don't be afraid. Step out of your comfort zone every once in a while. And step back and take an awesome look at the entire picture. Don't let something real small spiral you to the ground like a badly hit plane in a war movie. Subscribe today and help support this channel. As always, help me learn a thing or two. Like and share the videos. A featured video can be found by clicking the link at the top of the screen or in the description below. Topics and free without the wait. Subscribe today and become part of our family. Until next time, my friends. While you're on the road, think of others, lighten the load, and of course, be happy, stay safe.